Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Forte EX IVT in Radiant Red. Starting at the front here, this vehicle comes equipped with automatic LED headlights and LED daytime running lights, as well as a stylish front grille with chrome trim. Moving on, this model comes with 16-inch machined finish alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. The Forte also features power heated side view mirrors, solar glass, and front and rear splash guards. Heading toward the rear, the Forte comes with remote cargo access, keyless entry, and a heated rear windshield. Some of the safety features included with this model are blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, hill assist control, and auto emergency braking, as well as lane keep assist and driver attention alert. Moving on inside, this model features a nice cloth interior with 60/40 folding rear seats and 6 airbags. And heading toward the front now, the Forte comes equipped with power windows and locks, steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, as well as heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, as well as a Rearview Camera and an 8-inch display. This model also features air conditioning, a wireless cell phone charger, and both USB and auxiliary input ports. Heading under the hood now, this vehicle comes with a 2-liter MPI 4-cylinder engine and an automatic intelligent variable transmission. This vehicle is available now at Anderson Kia, so if you feel like stopping by for a test drive, please do so, or alternatively you can contact us here.